Good morning, beautiful people. I just went shopping and I got super inspired to make a green smoothie. This is what I got today. Just a whole bunch of mixed greens in there, a bunch of bananas. I got some mint, berries, just one coconut, a whole bunch of sweet potatoes, and there's this soy milk with sesame and some aloe and grape juice. I'm gonna make myself a smoothie. It is such a beautiful day and I'm gonna go to the beach. Oh, announcement. Guys, I got a job. I'm super excited. I'm going to be working at Orion Healing Center and I start tomorrow. So it's basically like my last day of freedom. I'll be vlogging from that side from now on and you guys can see what I get up to. But for now, I'm going to go make myself a smoothie. I added some coconut meat and some cucumber as well. So now let's go blend. You guys, guess what I decided to give another try? My friend the nonny. Okay, so I watched some videos and I think it was Sweet Natural Living said that literally nonnies ripen like right under your nose. 1 minute you can look down, 5 minutes later you come back and there's like a ripe one there, and that's literally what has happened. So guys, I'm gonna give it another try. One of my friends commented on Instagram that I should try put it in salad, so that's what I'm gonna do for lunch. I'm gonna be honest with you, I was doing some acro yoga on the beach the other day and that's where I like picked up these, and there was one that was like super ripe and I ate the whole thing. I don't know what's got into me, but like after that first time I tried it, I just got this like craving for it, and now I'm kind of enjoying the taste. That's what's happening later. Yeah.
Check me out, smooth character, chill that.
Hey guys, just got back from the beach and I'm gonna make me some lunch, so let's do it. Made myself some of these beautiful purple potatoes with tofu and red pepper, and I'm having a big salad. There's the noni, cucumber and tomato. I made this awesome dressing. Okay, I made this dressing with peanuts, curry powder, soy sauce, some chili powder, dates, and water.